Okay, hi everyone, Judy here. Welcome to my channel, and this is the part 3 of our common Bisaya expression series. This is going to be until next week. Okay, it's a 4-week series about Bisaya expressions. Okay, now let's get on with our lesson. Number 1. I'm going to continue with our numbering. So the last every part has 10 words. Okay, for this part it has also 10 words, and also in the part 4. All right, number 21, Chuyia or choy choy. So it means cool, handsome, awesome. So choy choy can also mean doing something to look handsome, like a pose or gestures. Okay, you know, like a smolder face. The smolder face is coming from Tango movie. You know, have you seen the Tango movie? Of course, that's very popular Disney movie. So those are very common expressions, especially among the youngsters. Okay. Number 22. Secreto para bebo. Secreto para bebo means from the word secret. Okay, which means you don't want to tell anything. Okay, bebo means fun. We normally use this to increase the person's curiosity. Okay, for example, like if you ask your friend, what did you do there? And then this friend would say, secreto para bebo. So you are actually creating a scenario wherein your friend will be more curious. Number 23. Ilara ko. So this one is sort of like the same with atika kubay. Okay, so ilara ko means ilara means to trick, to deceive. Okay, derived from the word ilad. Okay, so ilara ko, try to deceive me, try to trick me, try me. Okay, 24. Butangi. Butangi means fill or put or apply. Okay, normally we use this expression when we see a person who is obese. So this is kind of rude. We also used to say this when we are watching boxing, okay? Especially when we watch Manny Pacquiao match. This is very common expression if you are here in the Philippines and you are with a lot of Filipinos watching the boxing match of Manny Pacquiao. So butangi, like you have to box him hard. Okay, we sometimes use this expression in a comic way when we heard something out of the ordinary done by a friend or something extreme. Okay, buyag. Shortcut of puera buyag is buyag. Puera is like to shoo away the buyag. Buyag is to admonish, or to abolish. So, for example, Dodong and Judy are talking. So Dodong said, Judy, you look pretty. So Judy would say, Salamat, buyag, buyag, buyag. Okay, you say buyag, buyag so that Judy will stay beautiful forever if possible. So you say buyag, buyag. For another example would be, oh, your kid is so handsome. And then the mom would simply say buyag, okay, to show away the buyag so that his son would continue to be handsome. Number 26. KSP, not KSP, KSP. It means kulang sa pansin. Kulang means less. Pansin means attention. Okay, we normally use this when someone is asking for attention. Whenever you hear this, that means that person is annoyed by such action being done. Example, KSP maning bataa uy. So these kids are asking for attention. There was one time when we were watching a movie, and this group of youngsters, there are 3 girls, and they were sitting in front of us, and they were so noisy, and we couldn't concentrate with the movie that we're watching. So we were like, oh, KSP maning mga bata. So they're like, you know, asking for attention from the people around them. So if your friend told you this, that means your friend is already annoyed with you and you are actually asking for so much attention. Okay, number 27, OA. It means overacting. Okay, it means acting beyond normal. This expression is a negative phrase. Okay, example, ka-OA said ani niya oy. Okay, this person is really OA. Ka-OA sad ani. Ani means this, niya is her or him. And then the OA is there to give emphasis. Okay? OA ra kaayo ha. OA ra kaayo ha. That means you're acting too much. You're reacting, overly reacting, something like that. Okay? And when somebody say, OA ra kayo ka. So you are projecting yourself to be like an annoyance or a nuisance to your friend or to your family. When somebody say, OA ra kayo ka, OA ra kayo. So they are really annoyed by your reaction or by your movement or whatever. So they say this OA is like overacting. 28, Laina. Laina. Okay, Laina means not nice or to separate. Okay, these have two meanings. Depends on how it was used. Examples. Laina ni mo oy. That means you're not nice. Okay, laina ni mo oy. You're not nice. Or you are not being nice. Okay, another meaning is laina ang mangga ug ang saging. Okay, separate the mangoes and banana. Okay, laina, that means to separate. Okay, manga is mangoes and saging are bananas. Number 29, makahilak man santa. So it means that the situation is making the person cry. This is like so touching, so inspirational. It's going to make me cry. Okay, so example, when someone is sharing a past experience that is inspirational, this expression is very common to say to the person telling the story or while you're watching, and then you can tell this to your friend. Oh, makahilak man santa. Let's go to the last one. Wala ka kuyapi. Wala ka kuyapi or wa ka kuyapi. This one is a negative phrase. Okay. So I'm gonna break this down for you guys. Wala is not or nothing. Ka means you. Kuyapi is pass out. Normally this means what's wrong with you. Okay, what's wrong with you? Other meaning is did you pass out or you didn't pass out? Okay, you didn't pass out. Like when your friend was playing football the whole day, he or she would ask, wala ka kuyapi? Because it was really hot outside, you didn't pass out. Okay, did you pass out? Okay, that is the other meaning of wala ka kuyapi. The other sarcastic meaning is what's wrong with you? It means like, what's wrong with you? Wala ka kuyapi? So we normally say this when somebody asks for something that is very hard to get or to give. Example, okay, this is a conversation between Dudong and Judy. So Dudong said, Day, Judy, pwede ko manguyab? Judy, can I court you? Manguyab is to court. Pwede, can, and then ko is I. Okay, Judy, hoy dong, wala ka kuyapi? Minyo na baya ko. Okay, hoy dong, what's wrong with you? I'm already married. And you know that, okay? Sort of like that. That is the end of our Common Bisaya Expression Part 3. So there will be one more video about Common Bisaya Expression that will come out next week. And for now, I will have to bid farewell. Thank you so much for your time. If you are a first timer to my channel, consider subscribing. And if you like what you learned from this video and from my past video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up in each video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. When we went, there was one time when